In the heart of a primordial forest, the air crackles with ancient energy, whispering secrets of a time long forgotten. The twisted sentinels stretch their gnarled branches towards a blood-red moon, casting an eerie glow that bathes the landscape in surreal light. This lunar orb, like a fiery eye, watches over the wild beauty of nature, revealing hidden mysteries in the shadows. Grounding to the earth, an application of the three sister protocols, Prometheus, ancient Mothman, narcissistic personality disorder. Each rustle of leaves and distant howl echoes the primal power pulsing through this realm, reminding us of the untamed forces that shape our world.